So let's talk about Sanchar Sathi. You've probably heard the name. It's this big government platform that's supposed to act like our digital guardian angel. But the big question on everyone's mind is it actually here to help us, or is there something else going on? That's what we're going to figure out. In fact, you know what? Let's just cut right to the chase. The number one fear I see spreading all over social media and in WhatsApp groups is this. Is Sanchar Sathi secretly a government trap designed to snatch your data?
I bet you've seen messages just like this one, right? These frantic posts claiming the government is using this platform to get into your Aadhaar to steal your personal information. And look, that's a really serious accusation, so we're gonna tackle it head on.
All right, so what's the real story here? Is Sanchar Sathi a fraud, a total myth, or is it the truth? It's time to do some serious myth busting and separate the facts from all the fiction that's floating around out there. Okay, let's just break this down right here. First off, the myth that it's some shady private app, totally false. This is an official platform from the Government of India's Department of Telecommunications. Second, and this is the big one, does it store your Aadhaar data? Absolutely not. And third, the idea that it's a data trap? No way. It uses the exact same secure OTP verification that your bank uses to make sure you are who you say you are. So what gives this platform its authority? Well, it's plugged directly into the core of India's telecom system. It's connected to the official government database of every single IMEI number. That's the unique serial code that's built into every phone in the country. This isn't just some random app on the internet, it's a fundamental part of the national infrastructure. So if the platform itself is locked down and secure, where are the real risks? Well, it turns out the danger isn't with the technology itself. The real danger comes from how we, the users, actually interact with it. And this right here shows you exactly where things can go wrong. See, scammers are really clever. They'll create fake apps that look just like the real thing. So rule number 1, only use the official government portal. Rule 2, be careful about using it on public Wi-Fi, like at a coffee shop. Rule 3 is the golden rule for everything online. Never, ever share your OTP with anyone. And finally, be on the lookout for those fake text messages with phishing links. The system itself is safe, but these common mistakes can open the door for trouble. Now that we've cleared up all the scary stuff, let's get to the really cool part. What Sanchar Sathi can actually do for you. Honestly, think of it like a powerful remote control for your entire digital and mobile life. The power is literally in your hands. The first absolutely game-changing feature is called TAFCOP. It's a mouthful, I know, but what it does is amazing. Within seconds, it shows you every single SIM card that is currently active under your name. And if you spot one that you don't recognize, which could mean a fraudster is using your identity, you can report and block it on the spot. This is a massive weapon against identity theft. Next up, we have CEIR. Think of this as the ultimate kill switch for a lost or stolen phone. If your phone disappears, you can log in, report its unique IMEI number, and just like that, the phone becomes a useless brick. It won't be able to connect to any mobile network in India. It's completely disabled. And hey, if you get lucky and find it again, you can just as easily log back in and unblock it. And then we have Chakshu, which means eye in Sanskrit, a perfect name. This is how you fight back against all those annoying scammers. You get a sketchy call about a fake job, a weird text asking for your bank details. You can report it directly through this portal. Your report goes into a national database, helping the authorities track these people down. You literally become part of the solution. But listen, as fantastic as all this sounds, no system is perfect, right? Especially one that's this new and this ambitious. So for a moment, let's get real and take an honest look at some of the limitations the platform is dealing with right now. Okay, so let's walk through these. First, some people have found that getting a report processed, like blocking a lost phone, can sometimes be a bit slow. That can be frustrating. Same thing with unblocking a phone you found, it can take time. Then there's the awareness issue. A lot of people, especially outside of the big cities, just don't know this tool even exists. And finally, something you might run into yourself. You log in and find old, forgotten SIM cards from years ago still tied to your name, which can be pretty confusing. And all of this brings us to what I think is the most important part of this whole conversation. Your role. Because this isn't just about a government app. It's about all of us working together to build a safer digital India. So here's the bottom line. Sanchar Sathi is way more than just a website you visit once. It's a national digital safety system. And for a system like that to really work, to reach its full potential, it needs all of us to participate. It needs us to be aware and to take action. So here's your personal checklist. It's simple, but it's powerful. First, know which SIM cards are yours. Be smart about where you log in, avoid that public Wi-Fi. Guard your OTP like it's a state secret. Always make sure you're on the official government site. And please, use the check shoe feature. Report every single suspicious call and message you get. That one report from you could save hundreds of other people from falling into a trap.
At the end of the day, it really comes down to a partnership. The government has built a really powerful tool for us, but technology by itself can't solve everything. A truly secure digital nation depends on two things: the right technology and a country full of smart, aware citizens who know how to use it safely.
So no, Sanchar Sathi isn't a trop. Think of it as a lock for your digital life. The government has built the lock. The only question left is,